In this video, we will demonstrate how to restrand a 450mm twin bullet mini click head. You will need a 5mm Allen key and 4 450mm replacement strands available on our website. We use a grub screw to secure the strands firmly inside, so to loosen this you will need your 5mm Allen key and undo the grub screw that is inside the head. At this point, you can start pulling out your old strands. Now that's done, we can replace these strands with your new ones. For the purpose of this video, we will be reusing the same strands, but from this point on, consider these as your replacement strands. When you are restranding, it makes it easier if you break in your strands by bending them in the middle evenly. This bend piece will then become your reference point to line it up with the head, as you can see here. Once you've pulled the strands through, making sure to line them up with the bend you put in, you should then make sure that they are evenly distributed on either side of the head. You can line up the ends of these to make sure they're even, as you can see here. After this, you can grab your grub screw and place it in the head, ready to tighten up. Keep in mind when tightening that this is only to keep a firm hold on the strands and should not be over tightened, only enough to firmly hold onto the strands. Make sure the strands cannot pulled out. If they do not move, then you're all set. If you found this video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave any comments for any equipment tutorials you want to see next. We'll be posting more tutorials soon, so make sure not to miss it and turn on notifications for this channel. See you in the next one.